We finally have a material that is able to be printed with memory and flex that is a definitive long-term solution for partial dentures. I'm Wally Renee, and this is your Mod Pro 3D printed Flex Partial Denture course. These materials have fundamentally changed how we think about 3D printed partial dentures. We're now able to do ultra high aesthetic, high durability prosthetics that have memory, flex, and retention. But with this new type of technology comes new ways of finishing and design parameters that have to be changed. 3D printing is advancing at an incredible rate, and at the Mod Institute, your Mod Pro subscription is designed to keep up with the latest technology for your team. This course is designed to bring your team up to speed with the very latest information that we have with these new category of materials that are set to define the dental industry in a whole new way.